Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Noo Noo from Teletubbies. So grab your marker and follow along with me. So let's start with Noo Noo's nose. And we're going to draw a sausage shape. You're going to make it quite wide. And we're going to go all the way around. And now we're going to connect the line with a little curve. Connect these two lines. And then we're just going to make another small little line on top. And then in there, we're going to make little sections. So you're just going to draw these lines. We're going to continue these lines. And we're going to sort of follow the curvature. Now I want you to draw a short line and then a longer line curving upwards. And you're going to connect them with a slight curve. And then we're just going to draw a line around and we're going to follow the curve and then connect it back. Now inside there, we can maybe draw a few little lines as well. There we go. And now we're going to draw bristles. So I'm going to just make two lines, roughly about the same height. And you're going to connect it with these little curvy lines. And that's going to show the bristles. And maybe you can just draw a few little lines down if you want. Now, at the base of the nose, you're going to make a little circle. So follow the curvature and then connect it back. And from here, just a little bit above, you're going to draw the first eye. Make it nice and round. And inside the eye, you can draw a pupil. Now behind this eye, we're going to draw a second eye. You can make it a bit bigger. Nice and round. And of course the pupil. And then just behind that, we're going to draw a little square shape. And then we're going to draw a cup. And you're going to connect it with a straight line. And then on top of that, let's say, draw a lid. And you're going to connect it. And then on top of that, we're going to draw bristles again. And just connect the bristles. There we go. And then we can draw some lines down as well. Right, now underneath the eyes, we're going to draw these pipes, connect it, and then maybe you can just draw a few little lines in there as well. Now we can do Noo Noo's head. I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to draw a light bulb shape. So let's draw a light bulb shape, and then on this side you're going to do the same thing. And follow the curvature about the same height, and then you're going to connect them with a line. And then on top of the line, we're going to draw a little square upwards. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw the bottom of Noo Noo. And we'll do the same on this side as well. And you're just going to draw a little line connecting everything. It doesn't have to touch on the sides. And then at the bottom, lastly, we're going to draw the last section of Noo Noo's body. And let's fill the pupils in. There we go. And then the other one as well. Beautiful. And there's Noo Noo. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.